Hey everyone, thank you for tuning back into the Creative Book Club. So, book four is Yours Truly by Abby Jimenez. Hopefully, I said that right. So, I'm going to start off by just kind of copying the cover of the book and going to read a little bit about what the story is. Just to go over what I'm doing in my journal, I seen a really cute idea on Instagram of just doing blots of paint and then kind of scraping it down and working with whatever comes out there. So as you watch me work on my journal there, I'm just going to read the very back of the book that tells about the story. So it says Dr. Brianna Ortiz's life is seriously flattening. Her divorce is just about finalized. Her brother's running out of time to find a kidney donor. And that promotion she wants, oh, that's probably going to the new man doctor who's already registering 80 frickin' 7 on Brianna's pain in my ass scale. But just when all systems are set to hate, Dr. Jacob Maddox completely flips the game by sending Brianna a letter. And it's a really good letter. Like the kind that proves that Jacob isn't actually Satan. Worse, he might be this fantastically funny and subversively likable guy who's terrible at first impressions. Because suddenly he and Bree are exchanging letters, sharing lunch dates in her sob closet, and discussing the merits of freakishly tiny horses. But when Jacob decides to give Brianna the best gift imaginable, a kidney for her brother, she wonders just how she can resist this quietly sexy new doctor, especially when he calls in a favor she can't refuse. So it sounds like a super cute book, and the way the author writes, it just sounds like a fun book. So back to what I have going on here with my journal. I thought it'd be fun to, of course, mimic the colors of the front page, but then turn all these little blobs into people, since there's people on the front there. I should have turned one of them into a dog. And then, of course, I have the little airplane going across. But you could do anything on your journals, anything that, like maybe you have a premonition of what the book's going to be about just by reading the back, and you can draw a picture of that. It doesn't always have to be the cover. Just going into it not knowing, I find it kind of fun to copy the cover, and then I can look back in the journal, which I hope you do too as we go along. Take some time to go through all the books that you have read and all the crafting that you have done. Since this is a fun creative journal, I decided to turn my little airplane into a real airplane that I end up smashing every time I open up my journal. But it gives a little bit of depth, and it's kind of fun to work with. So I hope you're enjoying this creative book club. And if you get behind on the books, don't worry about it. Just go at your own speed, or take your time. It should be a fun thing, not something filled with pressure. And I hope you've reached out to your friends maybe and decided to do it together. So next week, when you turn in, we'll have read the book and we'll be doing the craft to Yours Truly. Thank you so much for watching.